What's up, BCK family? It's your boy Chevy King with another banger. We out here in Texas. You're all on board with us for this car show tomorrow. You see it already. Got the merch on, got the whole gang with me.
Yo, BCK gang, if you haven't did it already, go ahead and hit that like button. Go subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, go hit that naughty button. Let's get it, man.
Hey man, it's early in the morning. So we on our way to Corey's car show in Houston. So this is gonna be a long trip. So I'm gonna bring you all on board for this trip. So y'all see the whole gang with us, man. So I got I got Demon in the back with my transporter, and all my kids with me. So we'll cut y'all back. In every gas station, every stop we do. We're gonna bring you on board with us on this trip, man. Made it to Little Rock, man. We still got some ways. $41?
I gotta go inside and pay, bro. But I gotta wait on my.
See, I got the whole gang with me. Where's Grayson?
Right there.
Grayson.
Look at who is
Grayson.
it? Hey, who is it?
He's mad. Look, Chevy King.
Where's the Chevy King?
He didn't want to go to Houston, I guess.
You don't want to go to Texas?
See, that's something about Tennessee, man. Nobody wants to get away. You didn't want to go to Texas?
Yes.
Hell no.
Yes, you did.
Chevy King, you heard him, man. Say, come 41 or no? We got to get her washed up, man, once we get to Texas. Gotta check up on Draco. Drake, you ready to go to Houston? What's up, Mari?
What's up?
Drake, are you ready? You ready for your platform in Houston? How much we charging for breeding, Mari?
Shit. I want to say either 1,500.
1,500. You heard her, man. 1,500. Draco's ready. So you see it, gang, man. We on go with it, man. We're taking our platform all the way to Houston. And from Houston, we gonna go to Dallas. We gonna spend the whole week out there in Dallas, man. We're leaving you. See it, gang. can see the tour of our house out here in Texas. Every time we go to Texas, we do it big. We go to the big, nice neighborhoods. We got my Draco. We got Draco with us. See, we gotta have 2 dining rooms for the whole family. Like I said, half of us is here. The rest will be coming in tomorrow.
And not only that, but if you're interested in looking at the box Chevy King and what his family does, we're about to drop a new channel, so please subscribe and look at the different content we're about to have. It's gonna be crazy, guys, so y'all need to subscribe to that and watch those videos.
We got the Gucci slides, you see it? Your boy's rocking with them. See your boy back Chevy King. You gotta get ready for the next day. We gotta spice it up. Come on, Deborah. Come on, you're with us. Mare, Deborah, show us the pool. Come on, we can't go to the pool.
It's not just any pool, it's a heated pool and a pool. Let's go. So, here's a little patio, you know what I'm saying? It's a little something. Now here's the pool. A heated pool. Matter of fact. Draco, be careful. See all this? This right here is just a little room to get to the garage. And right here, the light. And this right here is where the Chevy is gonna come in here. Everything, you know, just some little privacy. Not too much back here. Got a bunch of little houses. You know, we finna play pool later on tonight. Enjoy. Cheers. BCK gang. Cheers to y'all.
You see it, man. Your boy Black Chevy King getting that VIP cut here to the crib. If you want one of the best haircut barbers, man, to throw down, hit up my nephew, man. He'll show you his, he'll tell you his platform.
I'm Banks the Barber, man. You can follow me at Stone Bar, man. Follow me at Banks01 on Instagram, man. Y'all tap in.
You want them VIP cuts, man? Hit them up. You see it, man. Your boy Box Chevy King got to get my transporter right, man. VIP, got to get the haircut so he could look right at the car show tomorrow. I told y'all, man, we flexing out here hard in Texas. This might be our second home. Look, got the whole gang with me. Come on, man, BCK. Look, I had to put that ice on my son. He's a baby king right there. I got Big Chris, Chrissy, Prince Romeo. He don't want to be the king, he wants to be the prince. I got Boss Lady over here. I got my baby sis, Daisy. What you got to say, Boss Lady?
Why now, dude?
What up, gang? This is our second day out here in Dallas, man. We got here yesterday, so last night was kind of litty. But, you know, we got to get that coffee, Starbucks, to, you know, get us going this morning. Before we go to Houston, we got Corey's car show, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to show some support all the way from Tennessee, all the way, you know, Texas surrounding, man. So, you know, about Chevy King, you know, I'm on go with all this, you know, connecting, man, with these YouTubers. So, you know, let's see how, you know, everything goes out there in Houston. But, you know, last night, you know, we had the whole gang. We were drinking, man. So we're rise and shine. We're ready to hit the road. We got 4 hours to go to Houston. So we need that coffee, man. Let's get it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you could get it notified, man. But you gotta watch the second part of this whole thing. We're out here in Dallas. We're having some fun, so you're gonna see the whole family with it, man. Peace.